In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the front headlight on the facelift Hyundai Elantra 7th generation. I'll demonstrate two different methods. The first method allows you to remove the headlight without taking off the entire front bumper. We'll only partially detach one side of the bumper to gain access to the mounting points. The second method involves removing the front bumper completely, which makes it much easier to access all of the headlight mounting bolts, including the hidden lower fasteners. First, let's take a look at where all of the mounting points are located. Once we carefully release the side of the bumper, you'll see the first bolt securing the headlight. Just above it, there's another mounting bolt hidden inside that also needs to be removed. Finally, there's one more bolt located behind the headlight. All of these bolts can be removed using a 10mm socket. After that, simply disconnect the electrical connector and the headlight can be removed from the vehicle, giving you a closer look at its design and mounting points. If you'd like to see how to remove the entire front bumper for easier access to both headlights, be sure to check out my next video. I cover the complete bumper removal process step by step.